The Falcon football team is back on the field. Bowling Green kicked off its first spring practice this morning. Soggy weather moved the workout indoors to Perry Fieldhouse. As the Orange and Brown enter year 4 of the Scott Loeffler era, the squad returns the majority of last season's 4-8 team.
Definitely super exciting. We're looking forward to this year like crazy. It's probably the most excited I've been for a new season and since I was a little kid, honestly. So just really looking forward to it. The locker room was awesome. Just getting in there to see all the decals all over the walls, all the current players, get to see yourself on there. So it was really cool.
We've had a great off season. I think the players for the first time, and it's because we're a little bit older, they realize that everything matters. And that workout at 5 a.m., 5:30 a.m. on a Wednesday when the wind's blowing here at Bowling Green, that matters. And we got to attack it like it's a game. And I think there's some maturity finally. I was happy with the first day. We should be happy with the first day, as many walkthroughs and we're in shorts right now. But I was happy with the effort, happy with the execution, and we just got to keep going and keep improving each day.
We're a very young team last year, and we have a lot of room to improve. So, just getting back out here and, tweaking everything with the guys and getting better.
I think we had the highest return rate, 92% in FBS. So everybody got a lot of experience last season, and we're more mature now, brought in some extra guys. So I think we're definitely going to be a different team next season.
I want them to practice like an older team and come out and never have to coach effort, have to coach technique, have to coach scheme and technique, not worrying about effort, and guys running to the football and playing really, really hard and taking pride at what they do. And we do that, then we can build into the summertime and then have a great training camp and then go be competitive.
We're hungry, we're excited. We had the best winter that we've had since I've been here. So we were just ready to get out on the field and start getting after it, and we know that this is the spring we're taking the next step.
I think the leaders on the team are pushing the young guys along, and that's where it starts. The leaders on the team need to bring that urgency, that high energy every single day so the coaches don't even have to say it. And once we get to that level, which we're getting there, that's when we can win championships.
The Falcons spring practice culminates with a spring game open to the public that is set for Saturday, April 23rd. BG opens the season September 3rd against UCLA at the Rose Bowl.